So how does it feel, Chaitanya?
Uh, Life had changed for a week, but after coming back, सारी इज्जत वापस चली गई. And to another tip here is that detail. There's some quote by a very popular architect. He says that God lies in details, and I had watched some other YouTube video a couple of years ago, and this thing stuck in my head, got stuck, and uh, after that I gave a lot of detail to every.
So welcome back, viewers, to KV Talks once again. And as you have asked for me to bring up more on SSB contents, so here I am today, and today we have Chaitanya present with us. Hello, Chaitanya.
Hi, hi, Keithik. How are you?
I am doing fine, bro. How are you?
The same.
So let me tell to the viewers that Chaitanya got recommended for the Indian Navy from Bangalore. So how does it feel, Chaitanya?
uh, Life had changed for a week, but after coming back, सारी इज्जत वापस चली गई. And yeah, initially it was hard to believe for myself only, but then I got into the hang of things, and कुछ ज़्यादा change हुआ नहीं. I mean, it's not much different, because earlier attempts में I've seen the people who had that plus sign on their chest numbers. I mean, they felt really godlike creatures, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, and very very normal, nothing much. Also, I got medically unfit later, so nothing much has changed for me.
Okay, okay. So what exactly was the reason for your medical?
Yeah, I got substandard vision. Actually, I was selected for pilot, so that required 6x6 vision. But later on, I found out that my vision was so bad that I couldn't even get the technical branch, which has some other limit. I'm not sure of that. Yeah.
Okay, okay. It's okay, but still, you have got recommended, and I am sure that you would be absorbed into other wings of the defense forces.
Yeah, maybe. So I'm waiting for that. I mean, yeah.
Great, great, great. And since you are like a five-time repeaters, am I right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, and you had mentioned that this attempt of yours had been exceptionally very well in terms of the psychological tests. So, what exactly was that which you had done differently in this attempt?
Yeah, my actually it was not about the psychology only. I believe that my psychology was uh, quite good enough, satisfactory in previous three attempts, but other components like the group tasks or the personal interview didn't go so well. So, like, I must say that I'm not any kind of an expert, but attempting the SSB 5 times had made me realize a few things, and that's all what I want to share. I mean, so
Great.
talking about what?
Yes, yes, Chaitanya. So, tell us exactly, like, can you take us through
Yeah,
the psychological test that you had attempted? What
okay.
was different and what we could learn from it?
Yeah, so let's say, so starting with the TAT, the TAD, thematic apperception test, and everyone must know that there are 12 pictures shown, and you write a story basically on that. And the one and only instruction here is to follow the instructions given to you by the invigilators there. I mean, one should follow that directly, and I did that quite accurately this time. I used to write a lot more than what was needed earlier, but this time I mean, from the past couple of times I have restricted myself and written only as much what is needed, and that is only 3 points: what led to the situation, what is currently happening, and what do we expect in the future as in the context of the story. and that's all I've written in all 12 pictures. But yes, I see this as an opportunity. I mean, every picture is an opportunity to showcase some OLQs, and I've not said this earlier, but the SSB in interview is all about showcasing the OLQs, the right OLQs. I mean, and so I've used those 12 pictures to showcase various kinds of OLQs and some other extra hobbies or my interest, my academic background through those stories. So I have, in a way, pasted my PIQ in some other words through those stories, which showed me showed the psychologist, I believe, that the hero or the person that comes out from those stories is actually me, and there's not much difference. So what should I say, like, I mean, there are two kinds of candidates there, okay? The first kind is that are naturally officer like, so they don't need much tips or anything, tricks. But the second kind of candidate is the one who is actually not very much officer like, but he intends, or he or she intends to be like one, and he or she has to build himself up to that level. So I was the second type, and so after these many attempts, I learned from every attempt I learned something or the other. One tip for the category 2 guys is that try to keep variety. Yeah, you have got 12 opportunities, and many of those pictures might look similar, okay? And try not to use the same theme that you've used earlier. So while you are practicing, while you are in the stage of building yourself up to the officer like person, so there you can practice and learn various kind of themes that you can use for yourself, which are related to your personality. I'm not suggesting anyone to use anyone else's theme or story. Whatever you come up by yourself, just note it down, and you can make it like a template. And I mean, that's what I've basically done this time, and I think it worked.
Okay. So, Chaitanya, can you elaborate more on the template that you have just mentioned?
Yeah,
what
so
is that you did in that approach?
yeah, so I had written many stories. Initially, they were all on rough paper, but I made a diary, and chronologically, I have written all down all the stories. Okay, like stories. I mean, now that I can look back, I can see that during that time, what kind of mental state I was in, and what kind of stories I wrote back then because of the movies I watched recently, or the books I've read, or the whatever was in the news. So making a diary of this, all these stories, made me realize that many stories get repeated, many themes get come again, and many pictures are also very similar. So talking about the template thing, so I made some 36 templates for myself, that which showcased that the hero of the story was similar to me, or according to my imagination, was something that I could do. So yeah, so those 36 templates were like, whenever I see a farmer picture, or so I would make some 3 or 4 templates about the farmer problems, whatever are in the news that on that period of time. Or if I see a woman in the picture, I would take some woman related issues, or I could also take up any friends related issues. So you under these kind of subheads, I had made some 36 to 40 templates in my mind. And so what happened is, when when I was in the SSB, the 12 pictures are shown for like each picture is shown for some 4 minutes 30 seconds, right? So in that time, instantly I could think of a template, and I did not have to create something new every time during the testing. So I saved time there and used the like save time use the save time to give in more details and more quality to the story, and not and my stories were not then like hurried up or anything like that. So I gave more quality time to the details of the actions of my hero. Now coming to another tip here is that detail there's some quote by a very popular architect. He says that God lies in details, and I had watched some other YouTube video a couple of years ago, and this thing stuck in my head, got stuck, and uh, after that I gave a lot of detail to every kind of stories, like basic things like someone would say there has been a minor accident, and someone would say that the hero went there and gave him first aid. I mean, this won't work now because this has been very old actually, right? And so something a little more than that, like in detail, would be better. Like he gave him water, he used a handkerchief to tie the wound, clean the wound, or anything you can think of, and not so general. So these two things I followed.
Okay. So, Chaitanya, the kind of like the mindset and the images that we actually bring forward during attempting the stat test is basically, as you had rightly said, it's more of from the kind of stories or the movies which we watch,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
most oftenly it's that is what we end up writing it.
yeah.
Okay. So how is it possible? Like, what is the right approach, and how easy is it to relate it to our day-to-day life and bring out our qualities? How should one attempt to do that?
Yeah, that brings me to the point that you need a lot of introspection. My introspection came by attempting the SSB multiple number of times. But if the second category of person does not want to attempt the SSB so many times, he or she would need to introspect a lot and put himself or herself into any random situations theoretically, and find out that what would be his or her response, and do those 15 OLQs come into play when in his or her responses. So I also did this one thing in my third attempt. Since then I've been doing it, that I've listed out 15 OLQs, okay, and I've put myself into random situations that come in day-to-day lives, situations also that we face in the SSB, because the SSB is also about bringing out your OLQs, right? So I put myself into those situations mentally, and remembered and thought that was I was I so leader like, was I so officer like, did I had that XYZ OLQ? If I had that, I put a check mark onto that OLQ in my list, and I've done this for all 15 of them. For some, I could not find much, so those OLQs especially, I tried to improve in my day-to-day life, and still which were lacking. So I tried to just pretend that I had them, and over time, and I believe that it worked, at least for me. So
Great, Chaitanya. So I must tell the viewers that Chaitanya has been helping me quite a lot with improving my TAT and the kind of response I give, and he has a lot of role into shaping my responses in the right approach. So Chaitanya, I would like to just project a picture and just let me know how one should, like, how one should approach for that. So this is the picture.
Excellent. Okay. Simple farmer related templates I would use here. Okay, one thing that is coming in my mind right now is that I am an IS officer and there's some water shortage in parts of my district, and I make efforts administratively, I mean, by hearing taking inputs from the stakeholders, and build various smaller channels or canals within my district from the larger one flowing through it or nearby it, and solve the problem. That is one option. Yeah, or also someone could take a dam. Another option could be a dam one, that the villagers themselves make a dam, and because it's a very small dam and they must have taken permission from all the concerned authorities, and using this dam they're using it for their irrigation or drinking water requirements and all. That's another option. What was yours?
I did not perceive him as a farmer, but at a very first glance, I saw it as a desert scenario.
Okay,
And
that's completely.
the kind of wavy thing which is shown in the front appears to
Okay.
me as a sandstorm. So
Okay.
so my
That's
perception was
completely
that
different,
he
but
is a
no issues. But what was your story?
he- so he is a tour guide and he is heading a bunch of youngsters to the desert camp.
Okay.
And they would be staying overnight, and they left
Yeah.
late evening, and they, in the middle of the desert, before reaching the location, they encounter approaching dust storm.
Okay.
So he immediately takes them to a high ground with the camels, and just sets up the tent as soon as possible, and just put all the people to safety. And once the storm passes, they make their way onwards towards the desired location and spend the night. That was
Yeah,
but
that's a really good story.
yeah,
Yeah,
but
I mean, and also very unique. I would say that I've not heard that ever. I mean,